Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset your Notion workspace. Maybe your setup has gotten a bit out of hand, or you're starting fresh for a new project, or you just want that clean slate feeling again. Whatever your reason, by the end of this video, you'll know the most effective way to reset Notion. Whether you're using it on your desktop, in your browser, or both, let's jump straight in. Now, you might be wondering if there's a magic reset button in Notion, or some secret way to wipe everything and start over. The truth is, there isn't a built-in reset feature within Notion itself. But don't let that hold you back. Resetting is absolutely doable, and I'm going to walk you through every step. First up, if you're using Notion on your desktop, the way to reset is to uninstall the app entirely. This might sound a bit drastic, but it's actually very straightforward. Start by closing Notion if you have it open. Then, depending on whether you're on Windows or Mac, head to your computer's settings and find Notion in your list of installed applications. On Windows, you'll go to Apps and Features, search for Notion, and click Uninstall. On Mac, just drag the Notion app from your Applications folder to the trash and then empty the trash. Uninstalling Notion removes the application from your computer, and if you want to start fresh, you'll reinstall it afterward. Now, why does uninstalling and reinstalling matter? Well, this process lets you clear out the app itself. And when you reinstall, it's like giving yourself a clean canvas to start with. Think of it like tidying up a cluttered desk. Sometimes you just need to clear everything away and set things back the way you want. Once you've removed Notion, head over to Notion's website and download the latest version. The installation is simple. Just follow the prompts, and in a minute or two, you'll have Notion ready to go again. Now, if you're using Notion in your browser, the situation is a little different. Since Notion is web-based, uninstalling isn't an option here. Instead, the best way to reset your workspace is to create a brand new Notion account. You'll want to log out of your current account first. Top right corner, just click on your avatar or initials, and select Log Out. Now, go back to the Notion homepage and click Sign Up. You can use a new email address or even a temporary one if you just want to test things out without committing. Creating a new account gives you an untouched workspace with none of your previous pages or databases. It's a fresh start, which is exactly what a reset should feel like. If you've ever started a new notebook or journal, you know that blank page feeling. It's exciting and maybe a little daunting. Take a moment to think about what you want to do with your fresh Notion space. Maybe it's time for a new productivity system. Or you can recreate just the pages that actually help you day to day. And just a quick note, don't worry if this takes a few minutes or if you get stuck with your account details. Notion's support is pretty helpful, and there's always a way to recover or reset your password if you need to. So whether you're uninstalling and reinstalling on desktop or starting with a brand new browser account, now you know how to reset Notion and get that clean slate back. If this tutorial helped you out today, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or want tips on organizing your new Notion workspace, just drop a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy guides like this. I've got lots more coming your way. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.